We have seen good gains continue for the last 24 hours in most of those commodities, especially gold prices, which are headed for the first weekly gain in last 4 weeks. So some bit of a gain holding on to that one. 1660 is where we seem to be trading in the international markets right now. Well, you have seen the ETF holdings continue to be on the higher side. There's impasse in the US budget talks, and that really seems to be supporting the market sentiment. Now says that the budget deal may go through in the last minute before the year ends, and it may really be something very less, and that is something that really is supporting the precious metals right now. Gold prices are up 6% in this year, while silver outperforms with 9% of gains for 2012. It continues to be a good time for the base metal space as well. Copper prices are trading at a one-week highs, and we have seen US home sales gain up. The Chinese data in this week also has been positive. So all of that adding into the premium into the prices there. The crude prices in the meanwhile are extending their biggest weekly gain since the month of August. The US inventories have declined. There's geopolitical premium coming in from UAE as well. And apart from that, you have seen the positive data, the Iran nuclear program, all of that also adding its way into the prices there. How do you then add or rather trade into the day-to-day? For that, let's get in Naveen Mathur from Angel. He joins us live on the show with his sense on all of those commodities. Naveen, hi, welcome. How would you look at the gold prices in the market today? Some strength coming in, but is it good enough to start buying?
I think, Manisha, the gold prices looks to be positive today, and technically if you see, fundamentally we still feel that it is kind of a bearish tone with a kind of a range-bound movement because of the uncertainties related to the US cliff issues and the budget negotiations which still underway. But technically we still recommend to buy only for the intraday, which is trading at around 30,740 or so. I would recommend to buy the gold contract on the MCX at around 30,650 to 30,700 levels. We would recommend for this trade to put the stop loss at around 30,540 and targets on the upside at around 30,870 to 880.
Naveen, what's your sense coming in for the base metal space then? Because all the data, all the China report statements are looking positive for this sector. How would you want to trade this one?
Manisha, what fundamentals you said and talked about were pretty much good for the base metal pack, except for the US fiscal cliff issue, which is still to be resolved. But I think overall the Japanese economy stabilizing, more impetus coming in for the monetary losing there. The Chinese economy on the rock bottom moving upside. The Eurozone is stable. So all the emerging markets plus the major consumer countries for the base metal are looking positive, and hence going down the line in 2013 we'll still look the base metal pack to be positive. And therefore even for the intraday we would recommend to buy the copper contract on the MCX for the February month at around 440.39 to 440, stop loss at around 436 and targets on the upside at around 445 to 444.
All right, Naveen, I appreciate you joining us with your commodity strategies. So 2 buy calls for crude and rather gold and copper coming in from Angel Commodities for the day today.